up 00, about 3 minutes before VIP.
Air Force One, Heavy, SoCal, roger. Speed your discretion. Go 3902, contact LA Tower on 133.9, see ya.
339, Scott 3902.
Air Force One, contact Los Angeles Tower, please. 133.9er, have a good day.
Air Force One, switch in tower, 133.9er, good day. LA Tower, Air Force One is ILS, runway 24 left.
Air Force One, LA Tower, wind 250 at 10, runway 24 left, clear to land.
Air Force One, clear land, runway 24 left.
Air Force One, turn left, unable, taxi to park.
Sure, freight sounds good. Yeah, Air Force One is on the ground now.
Welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode with this Air Force One I'm doing for myself, actually. And as you can see back there, I have just about gotten all the paint work done, and I am fixing to start doing the decals. What I did while it was off camera between the last video and this video was I was just doing some cleanup work on a lot of the painting work, and you know, just kind of cleaning it up a little bit, as sometimes with masks and stuff you kind of have that trouble with uncleanness and stuff. So what I'm about to do now is decal work, and then we will get this thing clear coated and hopefully get a nice shine on it. So let me show you what I have done so far, and just kind of go through what I've done and kind of show you the decals as well. So let's get started. But these are the engines. As you can see, I've got them ready. They are ready for clear coating. And so as you can see on here, this is my fully painted Air Force One. I think it's looking pretty good. I've been going over it, and I think I've got it pretty clean. And of course, here is my cutaway version, or half version. I took the tape off earlier. I'm not going to show it to you. I don't want to reveal it right now. It looks really cool, but we will reveal it once I get this nice tape off and get this thing nice and painted up. So I will put the decals for this here, and of course the decal for this here. Yeah, so kind of like that. And here are the decals. And you might can see, like, right down in here, it could be a little bit off as far as some paint work goes. Yeah, there's a little place right there. I just ain't gonna worry about that too much, because it'd be a lot of wasted time, because this gold decals are going to go right there, just under that blue right down there. So, and there's some other decals, little flags and good things like that. And of course I got some decals I got to put on the wings. So let me get some decal work done, and I don't think I'm going to film it, because I want to really focus on this and make sure this thing's going to come out really good. So I'm going to do some decal work, and then I will get back with you and then show you some updates. So be back in just a bit. Wing decals are on. And of course, since I'm doing two models, it's 2 sets of wings. So all right, now we'll get to the fuselage, and then I will get some done on that, and I'll show you in just a second. This side's done, except for right here. I've got some to put there, but I'm gonna let this thing dry. This well, what I was saying, this gold stripe right here, gold trim. I'm gonna start on this side and do it this way, and then see where this thing meets, and hopefully I will have enough. I think I might, but we'll see. And I gotta paint that door up. Don't worry about that. That door's gonna be painted blue. But United States, yeah, that says it all, don't it? And of course, you've got the presidential seal here, and the trim, the gold trim, really turned out well. I mean, it just really turned out good. And I'm just kind of sitting back, kind of taking it all in right now. It's it's coming along, but boy, was this a challenge for me, anyways. Quite a challenge. But all right, let's move on, and I will do this side. Okay, so another project I'm trying to tackle is I am giving my paint barn a complete makeover. As you can see, I've got it all emptied out. Give you a good thing here. Yeah, I've got it all emptied out because, as you can see, look at the dust in there. I mean, it just seems to get dirty. So it's time for a makeover. Plus, I'm going to install these things in there. So this hole right here is where the fumes and stuff is going to go out of. And I've got 4 of them, so I'm going to put one there, I think one here and one here. And then they'll all just kind of sock in and go right in there. And you're thinking, why in the world am I getting 4? Well, I am a fanatic when it comes to fumes and paint fumes and particle fumes and stuff. I'm a fanatic. I go way overbearing with it. And so, I mean, hey, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So that's why I did that. And I just want to make sure I'm good and safe. And even though I've got these 2 spray booths, I still may use a respirator or 4. I got 4 spray booths. So I may continue still use a respirator. That's how fanatic I am about particle breathing and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I've got to clean all this up first, and I may have to go to Home Depot because I've got some of this tubing here, but I don't think it's going to be enough. I'm going to need a little bit more, and I'm probably going to need some I'm going to need probably several like this, several little PVC pipe things to go in there, and I'm going to need some tape, some electric air conditioner tape, and just kind of see if I can get this thing looking good. And one bad thing I did in here was I used filler primer in here. I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. That causes bad dust too. Okay, so let me work on this a little bit, and then I still got some more to do on the Air Force One, son. So well, let me just work on this a little bit, and I'll see if I can show you some progress in a bit. Okay, so I have cleaned out my barn a little bit, and I have kind of gotten that taken care of. Well, I'm kind of waiting. I'm going to get back on this a little bit and do some work, do some decal work on it. And then I will have to go to Home Depot and get a few things to finish that barn out there to get those paint booths working. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to do some decal work, and I think I'm going to start once again with this gold stripe and work my way around, and then just kind of do the rest of the decals and see if we can make this thing look real good. Want to? Let's do it. I believe this stuff is ready for clear coating. I have got all the wings and the back wings and the engines and of course the fuselages. I've got all of those done and painted up, and I think I've got them touched up the best way that I can. That now I have to go in there and just kind of let the clear coat do its thing. As you can see there, one of them fell. Whoops, one of them fell. That is my engines, and they look really nice. That robin egg blue really brings them out. And there's my wings. And I put all the decals on everything, so everything should be ready. Should be ready. Boy, there's a lot of work sitting right here. A lot of work, and I'm just kind of sitting here and just kind of soaking it all in. That we have really come. We've come pretty far. Here is the window, the windshield, I guess you call it. I don't know what you pilots call it, but they call it windshield, and I think I may have to put another coat of silver on that. But it should be, I'll be able to take off the film, and it should just have that silver left on the dividers on those windows. Anyways, okay, a lot of work done, a lot of work. These are the front. I got to put another coat or two on those, but these are the front landing gear, which are going to go on this side, and then I've got the other set of landing gear over here. Yeah. So I got the landing gear here, and I've got these ready. So they're ready. They're ready. They are ready. So I have done some more work on my barn outside, and I actually got it finished up. I got the paint booths in, as 4 of them. I got them installed. I got them put in. So we are ready. Actually ready tomorrow for doing some clear coating, because I got the barn cleaned up, got it de-dusted or e-dusted, whatever you call it. Don't dust it. I don't know what you call it, but whatever. I got it dust free, and of course I got those paint booths. So we are ready for some clear coating. But let me show you what I did out there real quick. Alrighty, paint shop is finished. I'm so glad I was able to get that done. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And now I've got plenty of room down there for my storage. Once again, don't have these crazy boxes taking it up. So awesome. I'm so glad. So let me just turn them on real quick for you. So yeah, I just about guarantee you ain't no fumes gonna come through here when I got all these. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. And so it starts here, and then you got your little tubes going here, and it goes right down there, which comes out the other side over there. So yeah, it looks really good. Oh, I'm so glad. I hate to get them dirty, but it's what it's got to do. It's what it's for. It's to get dirty and get nasty and all colorful, good stuff like that. So I took the two walls out. You know, here I've got two, they're separated, but here I got these two out so as I can have a full whole big old a big old area that I can paint. So in just in case, I have something big I need painted, and then I have a bunch of little stuff I need painted, I can just don't have to worry about waiting for this stuff to get done, then I'll paint the other. No, I can actually go over here and do this while I'm doing this. So hey, that's cool. I like that. And so yeah, that looks really good. So I'm so glad I got that done. I'm so glad. So what I need to get done now is I got to get this airbrush cleaned off, because if I'm going to do some clear coating, I am going to have to clean that airbrush, and I worked too hard on that Air Force One to really make it look sloppy with bad clear coat. So I got to go in there and I got to wash that, clean off the airbrush. So okay, looking good. Okay, so paint booths are installed, they're put in, and I've got my barn nice and cleaned up, dirt-free, dust-free, and I've got the Air Force One. I got both of them. They have the decals on them. I have them ready to clear coat and all the decals and everything. It's ready to go. So everything's ready. So I think I will wrap this video up, and I will catch you on the next one. And please, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, for taking time to come over here and build a model with me for about 30 minutes and having a good time. And so just thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And I hope I give you good content to watch by. So anyways, okay, until the next time I see you, please stay safe, take care, and folks, keep modeling.